Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. What's me Ogechi? Welcome. So for today I'll be making Nigerian meat pie filling. I'm just going to make the filling for you today and I'll show you how I make my Nigerian meat pie filling. I've done this before and it tasted absolutely great and people enjoyed it. Okay, so and it finished within 2 days or even that day. The only reason why I didn't finish that day was because I was the only one at home then. But when people came, it finished. So I've done this meat pie over and over again, and it's a trusted recipe that I believe that you would like. There is a bit of difference between most Nigerian meat pie recipes that you see and the one I'm showing you, which is that I'm adding bell pepper. Okay, so I find that this gives the whole mix and the recipe is sweet and really lovely taste. So I'll be showing you how I make my Nigerian meat pie filling, and I'm using for today lean beef mince from Ashfield. I got this from Aldi. This is an Aldi brand, and I'll be using this red onion. I'm going to wash this up, cut it up in dices, and put the mince on heat, and then we'll come back and I'll show you the rest of the recipe. Hey guys, so I have chopped up my carrots and I've done my bell peppers, my red pepper, and then I've done my red onion. So all of them are chopped up. These are the vegetables I'll be using for this recipe. Okay, if you notice, I've chopped them very small and little, and the reason because I do not want them to overshadow the minced beef, which is small actually. So this is a good way to fill up your minced beef if you've got a small one. So using vegetables helps to make it look big in quantity. So I put them this small so that they can melt in and not overshadow too much the minced beef itself. Okay, so I'll show you the other things I'll be using for this recipe, and these are the things that actually make this recipe taste really good. Okay, really good and delicious. Welcome back. So all right, so guys, these are the things that makes this recipe taste really good. My advice is to use the same thing that you use for cooking your stew to make your minced beef, because then it tastes good. But do not use too much of anything. Okay, so for this recipe I'll be using this stock powder. Okay, so it's aroma tropical stock powder. It's vegetable powder, all-purpose seasoning. Okay, all-purpose seasoning powder, and it's from Tropical Sun. And then I'll be using 1 cube of Maggi. Okay, I'll be using 1 cube of Maggi. Now these ones are optional. I'll be using curry. lion curry. It's one of the best Nigerian curry I've ever tried. And then I'll be using garlic, parsley, basil, thyme, paprika, and ginger, which kind of are all contained here. So you can pretty much use this one and that's it. And you don't have to leave this one and use this and that's it. But because I'm being extra, I'm going to use this one. Okay, I'm going to add some of this because this gives a really good taste, okay, to food. So I'll be adding these seasonings to my recipe to cook, and these are the things that makes it really taste good. Obviously I'll be adding some salt, but I'll add salt in the end once I know it's not too sweet. Okay, so let's begin cooking. So in the preheated pot, which is preheated, I'm going to add 1 to 2 tablespoons of oil. Okay, so this I'm using vegetable oil, and this is simply going to heat up a little bit. If you notice, it's bubbling up, it shows it's heating up. And then I would add my mixed beef. Okay, so I'll add that to heat up. So I've run my minced beef through water. So I've run it through water just to clean it up, and then I'm just going to add it. Okay, that's the minced. So I'm just going to pretty much leave this to cook by itself until it's browned up, and then after I finish cooking, I'll add the ingredients that I'm going to use to cook this. This is what the mince pie mix looks like cold, okay?
Oh, not veg. How do you see it still looks inside?